students, hi everyone, welcome to Power Education. I am Brijesh Misra and today I am going to start the fourth part of question number 2 of exercise 3.4. Let's see this question. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. First of all, in this question we will suppose let number of 50 rupees notes be X and 100 rupees notes be Y. According to first condition, in first condition Meena withdraw 2000 rupees from bank and cashier to give her 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. We have supposed here 50 rupees notes BX, so it will be equal to 50X rupees and 100 rupees notes BY, so it will be equal to 100Y rupees. And now the sum of 50X plus 100Y will be equal to 2000. And now we are taking the common 50. So now X plus 2Y equal to 2000, and now this will be cancelled out, 0 0 and 5 4s are 20, 0, and now we get X plus 2Y equal to 40, and now this is the first equation. And now according to second condition, in second condition Meena got 25 notes in all. So now here we have supposed the number of 50 rupees notes be X and the number of 100 rupees notes be Y. It means the sum of notes X plus Y. X plus Y will be equal to 25. So now this is the second equation. And now simplify the both equation by elimination method. So now solving equation first and second. The X plus 2Y equal to 40. This is the first equation. X plus Y equal to 25. And this is the second equation. And now see the terms of X is equal. And now subtracting here. Sign will be changed. This will be cancelled out, plus 2y minus y. We get y plus 40 minus 25 plus 15. So now we get y equal to 15. And now putting the value of y in equation second. So now putting the value of y in equation second, so we can write x, and in second at the place of y we will put 15. So now we can write x plus 15 equal to 25. So now x equal to 25 minus 15, we get x equal to 10. So now here we get x equal to 10. Hence Meena has 10 notes of 50 rupees and 15 notes of 100 rupees. Now that's your answer. And now see the fifth part. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sartha paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days, while Sasi paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. And now here we will suppose let the fixed charge for first 3 days bx and the charge for each extra day be y rupees. So now according to first condition, so now see in the first condition, Sarita paid 27 rupees and she kept for 7 days. So according to first condition, the fixed charge is x rupees for first 3 days. So now for the first 3 days, the charges will be x rupees plus and the charge of rest 4 days according to y rupees per day. So it will be 4y and the sum of x plus 4y will be equal to 27. This is the first equation. स्टूडेंट सरिता जो है बुक 7 डेज के लिए वो रखती है और पेड कितना कर रही है 27 रुपीज. तो स्टूडेंट आपके कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग 3 दिन के लिए हमारे जो फिक्स चार्जेस हैं वो कितने हैं x रुपीज. तो बाकी के हमारे 4 दिन के जो चार्ज हैं होंगे वो क्या होंगे, एक्स्ट्रा जो चार्ज है y रुपीज के रेट से 4y होगा. तो x प्लस 4y इक्वल टू 27. नाउ इट इज अ फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. एंड नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकेंड कंडीशन, in second condition, Sasi paid 21 rupees for the book and she kept for 5 days. So now see, so for first 3 days the charges will be x rupees plus and the charge of rest 2 days it will be 2y and it will be equal to 21 rupees. Now this is the second equation. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर शशि जो है वो कितने दिनों के लिए बुक रखती है 5 डेज. तो 3 डेज के लिए हमारे फिक्स हैं, चार्ज कितना होगा x रुपीज. उसके बाद से हमारे कितने 2 डेज बच जा रहे हैं. तो 2 डेज का हमारा y रुपीज पर डे के रेट से हमारा कितना होगा 2y. तो x प्लस 2y इक्वल टू 21 एंड दिस इज द सेकेंड इक्वेशन. एंड नाउ सिंप्लीफाई द बोथ इक्वेशन बाय एलिमिनेशन मेथड. तो नाउ सॉल्विंग equation first and second, x plus 4y equal to 27 first equation, x plus 2y equal to 21, this is the second equation. And now here the terms of x is equal to, now subtracting, the sign will be changed and this will be cancel out. Plus 4y minus 2y, it will be 2y plus 27 minus 21, we get 6. So now y equal to 6 upon 2, this will be cancel out 3 times. Finally we get y equal to 3. And now putting the value of y in equation first. So now put in equation first at the place of y. So x plus 4 into at the place of y we will put 3. So x plus 4 into 3 equal to 27. So now x plus 12 equal to 27. So x equal to 27 minus 12. So we get x equal to 15. Hence the fixed charge is 15 rupees and the charge for each extra day is 3 rupees. And now this is your answer. Student, if you like this video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.